Shifting the equipment around in the rack. So, left one U-frame down here. That'll be for maybe one of these, or maybe the other version. That's kind of, but it's not. But it's, oh yeah. So I left a U-frame down there. Just a little quick and easy after a while. There we go. That's in. And one piece to move down. And that should be enough there for the DTS CAD Professional 5. Ooh! 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 Can hear a reverberation in there. Ha! Ooh! That's better. No, that's not. Can you see? Got a train listening there. This just for teaser at the moment. I'm going to do it with two hands. Just push it back gently. Oh, that's going to look sexy. I mean, it looks sexy already. I'm starting to feel a little bit better about this. It's just the wiring. It's so awkward. Well, that's looking cool. Wow, never seen anything like it. It's going to be a beast when it's fired up, and I'll get Apollo 13 DTS Laserdisc demoing for it. Maybe later today, maybe sometime today.